Friends, welcome to another video of City Diaries. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new MI3 band strap, which I bought from Flipkart for $299. A few months back, I got my MI Band 3. Black was the only option, so I didn't have such option for different color. So I was little bored with black one, so I opted for silicone blue. So I'm going to unbox it right away and we'll find out the quality, how it looks. So stay tuned. So this is the invoice copy, sold by Phone Street, Hyderabad. And let me unfold. This is the wrapping. Let's unwrap this one. Here comes the main stuff. This is the band and quality seems to be absolutely perfect. Let me check. Quality seems to be absolutely perfect. Yep. The quality is superb. It's almost like original one. You can't make out. So what can you expect for $299? It's pretty good. Let me wear this one. Now here it is. It's looking pretty good. And let me tell you, the quality is so good. I didn't expect that good quality at $299. Now there is only disadvantage with silicone blue because you cannot wear it with every color. If you're wearing red, do not wear this color. It will go very good with white and black and some other color, but never wear it with every color, correct? Now I found it very attractive, very funky and bright. It's a fitness band after all, so it will give me some kick at the time of my workout. You can opt for some other color. Red is available and army print. I liked army print a lot, but I didn't go for it. So you can go for it. I'm loving it. That's it. You can go for it. For $299, you can't expect more than this. So for more interesting videos, stay tuned to City Diaries and do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And stay healthy, stay fit. That is the mantra of your life.